This drone came with us because this drone is having a problem in the spraying system. If we see this spraying lens, this spraying rod, let me activate the system. We can see here that it's not moving. Enable the spray, and we see that the spraying rod it's moving, but this not. So in the remote controller we can see here that the centrifugal nozzle failed. So we need to change this, but the drone is presenting another problem. The impeller pump motor, it's not the flow of the impeller pump it's not well. So I'm gonna remove this to see if the impeller pump is working. Okay, I remove it, so let's check again. I'm gonna activate. That is working, but here we can see it's not working. So the centrifugal motor and the impeller pump motor are not working in this drone. So we're gonna change the parts to see.